What's up, everybody? It's your girl Sneaker Mom, back in the building, back with another review for you guys. Today we're gonna be reviewing the new Yeezy Boost 380 in the Pyrite colorway and in the Stonesalt colorway. Let's get to it. First, we're gonna start off with the Stonesalt colorway. It's called Stonesalt, Stonesalt. Size 6.5 in men. Which size I wear in Yeezys. You got your regular, same boost on the side, 380s on the top. Yeezy Boost 380 on the side. All right, let's get into them. Okay, nice colorway, nice dark colorway. All right, Yeezy Boost 380 Stonesalt. All right, you got your it looked like a dark gray and black Primeknit going all around the shoe. You got your light gray, and I would say that's like a dark, yeah, that's a smoke gray. And then your lighter gray right here, along with your gray going around the bottom. You got your gray going around the bottom of the sole with your boost under there too also. Your Adidas symbol under the side. You got your whole shoe, same colors. You got your the new technology shoelace they have that you can't tie, and it has this little interlock thing going along with it. But I think they also come with an extra pair of laces also if you don't like that. Yeah, if you don't like the interlock ones, they come with your extra pair of laces, which is the same color, smoke gray shoelaces you can put in there and tie. I wouldn't cut this, so I'm going to keep this on here because I like it, and it's more, I like the way it looks better. Some people don't like it because it really is just there, because the shoe is a sock type lock fit shoe, so once you put it on, it's not gonna move. But I mean, it's just to each his own for the preference. But I like this one like this. I just pull it and go. But this shoe is a nice dark tone shoe, sock-like material. I like the way they fit tight around your ankle right here. I wear these mostly to the gym. I mean, you can wear it anywhere, of course, and you can dress it up or dress it down. But me personally, I like to wear these to the gym because they're very comfortable, and I just like them, just like the Nike free knits that I wear to the gym. Also, it's with the sock-like material. They just a nice shoe to wear to the gym, and it's just a nice casual shoe. You can throw it on with some sweats and throw it on with your tights, and hey, it's all good. You don't have to worry about nothing else because you know the comfort there as long as you got this boost under there. So this is the Stonesalt colorway. Nice dark colorway, nice. All right, let's get to the Pyrite colorway. So just the same exact box, 380 box. Put your boost on the side, size 6.5 in men's. I also size up in these also, just like the 350s, because they all fit the same. And once you have a size in Yeezys, you pretty much wear that size in all of the Yeezys, besides the Yeezy slides and the other. But shoe-wise, I always have a size up. All right, so these same way, nice colorway. This is the Pyrite colorway, nice light colorway. It's like a cream. I would say cream and brown. Yep, the nice cream and brown. It also come with the extra laces also if you don't like to keep these interlock laces in. But yeah, you got your cream bottom. You got your cream going around along with your dark brownish color going around also. Nice mixture together, this cream and dark brown. I like this. Same sock-like material. You got your extra, put your sock-like, extra tight around your ankles. Inside, same Adidas Yeezy. Same bottom, light cream with your boost on the inside, boost technology. Yeah, this is a nice colorway too. Nice light colorway. So if you like lighter better than dark, then I would go with these. But of course I couldn't choose because I like light and dark, so I just got them both. But you know, hey, if you got to choose out of both of these, if I had to choose, that's a hard decision. But if I had to choose, I would probably go with the Stonesalt. Reason being they're a dark color and you can pretty much wear them with anything. Don't use them black leggings, black sweats, just anything. Not even black, gray, any color go with them. But I like the dark colorway, but I mean I love this light colorway also. So like I said, I couldn't choose, so I got them both. But if you had, you know, let me know which one down. Let me know down in the comments below which one would you go with, the Stonesalt or would you go with the Pyrex? And I'm still trying to get why they named it the Pyrex, but I don't know. Anyway, whichever one, you know, let me know down which one you think looks the best. Both look the same shoe, just one light, one dark, and one is gray, and one is a cream and brown. Yeezy Boost 380s. I mean, y'all let me know what y'all think about these. Did you cop, or did you like, nah, pass, not for me? I used to say that too about the 380s. I used to be like, nah, they're not for me until I got my first pair of aliens. And once I got those, I was hooked. I'm like, man, these shoes are so comfortable and not too many people be going after them. You ain't got to worry about the resellers trying to eat them up before you can get in the store and get them. These are just a nice, easy cop for people that actually likes to wear their shoes and not sell them, which is me. I like to wear my shoes. I don't sell shoes, so that's why I love the 380s. Easy cop. Y'all let me know what y'all think. But anyway, as always, please like and subscribe to the video. Let me know what y'all think. And hey, it's your girl Sneaker Mom. Peace.